If you've come across pumpscoin.com and are thinking about using it for crypto trading, you might want to slow down and take a closer look, because while the platform promises speed, security, and access to over 100 decentralized exchanges featuring popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, the reality might be a lot more questionable. Pumpscoin.com presents itself as a powerful trading hub, but several red flags suggest you should proceed with caution. First, the website design looks almost identical to other known scam sites like xchaiz.com and kenzacoin.com, raising serious doubts about its originality and authenticity. The platform claims to be protected with top-tier security standards such as ISO certifications, SOC 2 compliance, and PCI DSS approval, but there's no verifiable documentation or third-party confirmation to support any of these claims. What's even more concerning is that the domain was registered only recently on May 17, 2025, meaning it has zero history and no established credibility. It also boasts of partnerships with major names in the crypto space, but again offers no proof or external validation to back these up. Another major red flag is the total absence of real user reviews or ratings on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or crypto discussion forums, which is unusual for any platform claiming to operate at this scale. The lack of transparency, combined with suspicious design patterns and unverified claims, makes pumpscoin.com look more like a potential trap than a trustworthy trading solution. While we can't definitively say it's a scam, it certainly hasn't earned enough trust to be considered safe either. Always do your own research and don't fall for hype without proof.